Well, hi you guys. This is Nikki B and Sasha Baby RV Adventures. And today is almost the end of the month, and we are getting ready to leave here and go into our next adventure. But what I want to do today is I've been trying to figure out this park. It is so huge. So what I decided to do is to walk around and look at the different sites that they have. And then after that, I'm going down to the water. So I'm going to kind of take you with me on and off. You know, I don't want to disturb people's, privacy or anything like that. So we are parked in a really weird spot. And it's taken pretty much a lot. So I think I'm going to walk this way. And I will give you guys a chat back a little bit later. Okay? Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. So I'm back. Sorry, I had to go down this hill and I couldn't hold the camera and concentrate. So, if you notice, the tide's coming in and it's about to cover all that rocks. If you look at the video before this, you could see watch the water slowly tide is coming in, if I'm not mistaken. Tide is coming in. See, half of the picture, the land is gone. It's coming up pretty fast though. I'm watching the timer on the clock and it says a minute and something seconds. See, that thing already disappeared. Oh, crap. Should have brought my stabilizer. But I forgot, I don't know what time tide goes in, tide goes out. The tide's going, I don't know what it's doing. All I know is that there was a thing in the middle and now it's disappearing. Before you could walk on my horse. All the way up, the mountains are disappearing in the water. Takes everything away from them. One's coming out, one's in the water. You see him? There he goes. You can tell it's coming in pretty fast. Sun's trying to do what it's doing. The sun's blocking the whole thing. It was an amazing thing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I could catch. God God, I wish you could see the different colors in the blue and the water as the tide's coming in and it's disappearing. It's just like, wow. It's crazy. It really is. Look, it's gone. That mountain that was there at the end, it's almost covered. And the other end is slowly disappearing in water too. Like it's like the water's rising, and it's crazy. And it's crazy. All the seagulls are over there, right there on that island, trying to figure out. See, and I can't zoom it in anymore. There it goes. Look at that. It's just taking it over. Boom. Gone. That is crazy, you guys. Okay, now I want you to look now, guys. Look. It's all gone. Tide took it away. Look at that. It's almost completely submerged. All gone. Look at it. It's almost all gone. Whoa. Look at that. It's almost gone. You can barely see it. From all that, that's what the tide did. Now there's nothing really left. It's taking it all away. Okay guys, I'm walking down here. Usually you can't walk on this. It's like you can see the ground. It's usually covered in water. But there's the shack. Let's see if I can bring it in for you. It's closed because of COVID, but it's there. And then the water is beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can, without killing myself. Oh, it is muddy as all get up. I'm not taking these shoes off in my house. It's like just pure mud. Like layers of mud. Anyway, I was hoping, whoa, watch me fall in a sinkhole or something, right? For real, look at this. See, that's the water that comes in. I'm just gonna do this way. Yeah. That's the water. Here's, let me see if I can, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're going with, okay, see, this is all mud now. Now I'm just stepping on pure mud. It's the seashells. I was gonna try to cross, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. And if you walk, you probably walk all the way around. Hey, let's try this. Should we walk around? Oh my God, you guys, what if I fall down? But if I go along the water line, let me see something. Oh my God. I don't think that's wise. Oh, but let's go this way. Whoa, I almost slipped and fell. Okay, that's not cool. Hopefully you guys are getting this. I'm not taping this for nothing. Whoa. Trying to find a place that's drier to cross so I can walk along the sea line. Hold on, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. We're talking about mud. Okay. Alright. There's the stream. Oh my God, you guys, look at my boots. Look at that. That's my boots. Okay? Anyway. So, I'm about to wash my boots. Oh wait, I can't wash my boots. Okay. How cool is that? Should I walk across, you guys? What if I get stuck? If I get... Whoa. No, let's... I have to walk on the beach now. All this. This is all usually underwater, you guys. And it's the tides out. Uh-oh. I think we're going to go all the way around. Hopefully, this thing's working right. Oh my God, I'm stepping on clams. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this. It's all clams. Oh my God. But where we're at, we are not supposed to pick them up. And so, one of the things they ask is not to do that. Why? I don't know. But, oh my God. Okay. Alright. Now we're walking. There's a shack right there. Usually this is not covered in water. They have a way to get over there. I don't know. Hold on, let me stop. There. So I'm assuming that's where all the Wi-Fi is. I don't know. So, I'm taking you on across. Yeah, it's crazy. I want to know how the truckers get up there. They drive through there, and they get up on that hill over there. Do you see that hill? Where the tree is. They drive up there. And I think they go up there when the tide is low. Like this. When the tide is high, you can't get over there. Very difficult. to get over there. So, we are going a lost track. So now we gotta get back on track. Okay, now we're back on track. Oh, tree fell. Now, how the hell? Oh, I see. Okay. Whoa, okay, that's not cool. That got wet, and I just washed my shoes. Okay. Oh, shit. Here goes nothing. Whoa! Do you see this? Oh no! Oh no! Okay, that's it. Check out time. Okay, guys, I'm finally back home, and look at my boots. I want you to look at my boots. They are thrashed. I will never wear these boots again. They are going into the garbage after all of that. I finally got out of there, but this is what happened to my boots in the process of getting out of there. So, this is Nikki B and Sasha RV Adventures, and we will see you shortly.